Hello, I'm Chef Johnny, and this is Texas Style Cuisine. Appreciate you being here. Tonight, we're going to do another request. People have been asking me for side dishes. So tonight, I'm going to show you how I grill up my sweet potatoes. Usually, when you see people grilling sweet potatoes, you'll see them cut them into wedges. The problem with cutting a sweet potato or any potato that you're going to grill into a wedge is you have that real thin point and then you have that thick back edge. So by the time your back is cooked, your front is much overcooked. So when I do them a little bit different. Cut these tips off of these sweet potatoes. What I do is I cut my potatoes into rounds. Now these have already been washed, so I'm going to come in here and I'm going to cut between about 3/8 of an inch, maybe half an inch. And I'm just going to cut disc out of this sweet potato. Now, they're a uniform thickness, so they are going to cook fairly evenly. So I'm going to take it right here, cut up this last one, right there, cut this one in half. Now I have some very nice rounds that I can cut up or that I can cook up. So what I'm going to do is take those there, drizzle a little olive oil on them. I'm just going to give them a toss. Try to get them coated with my olive oil real good. Those are ready to go. Now, one of the seasonings that I love all the time, Tony Chache's. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit in here. And then I'm going to go back to my tossing again. Now, if you wanted to lay these down flat and coat them, that would be perfectly okay also. Nothing wrong with that. Now, they're each coated with oil. They're each coated with Tony Chache's. So we can go over and get them on our grill real quick. Grill's nice and hot. I'm just going to brush it real quick. And I'm not going to worry about oiling this grill because we have oil on the potatoes themselves. So, hear the sizzle, you know that's a nice hot grill. And we're just going to put all of our potatoes on here and start putting nice grill marks on them. And they're going to cook up, like I said, fairly evenly. So our potatoes are on there. They're looking pretty. If you want to close the lid, go about 2 or 3 minutes. Let's check on these potatoes. Now, I always tell y'all when it's time to turn, they'll turn loose. And that one turned loose. Just starting to get some grill marks on it, but you can also tell that that potato is starting to change colors. And I'm going to move these to the other side of the grill because the grates over there are nice and hot. And that'll help us get some grill marks. You can hear them sizzling whenever I set them down, and you can see these grill marks are on them. There we go. Those are the first ones we put down. You see their grill marks are a lot darker. But these are sizzling also. Starting to bubble on that skin some. That's okay. Nothing wrong with that. There we go. Looks pretty. Let's put this down and let them go for about 3 minutes. Now, we are about 8 minutes into this, so I want to start checking potatoes. And you ought to be able to pierce them fairly. That one's still a little bit hard. Starting to turn loose. That one is soft. That one can handle going a little bit longer. So, let's see. See, they're turning loose. They have nice color on them. And I'm not checking temp on these. I'm just seeing if it will pierce easily. If it goes in real easy, then we know these potatoes are done. Flip these over. Back to that original side. I think they're starting to get a little bit dark. So let's turn them. Let them cook a little bit longer. And then we're going to get these off the grill. I think our potatoes are ready to get off. We have some with some pretty grill marks on them. See these? Oh yes. These are looking pretty. They're going to taste great. Got one a little bit dark there, but that's okay. It's still going to eat just fine. Pull these off the grill. And again, by cutting them the same thickness and making the rounds or the disc instead of wedges, your potatoes are going to cook much, much more evenly. And you're going to get just a whole lot better dining pleasure out of it. There those are. Let me turn my grill off. Got these sweet potatoes off the grill. They are looking pretty. We have some lovely, lovely grill marks on these. They've turned out just fine. And I'm going to tell you right now, I am not a huge sweet potato fan. You make candied yams or something like that, I will not eat them. But I will eat these all day long. I really enjoy these sweet potatoes. And as y'all can see, we have some nice grill marks. These potatoes are tender and they're cooked all the way through from side to side. Give it a taste. Let me tell you, that sweet potato tastes fantastic. And with the grill on there, you have that little bit of the char from the grill, and then that spiciness of the Tony Cachets. These potatoes are just wonderful. I hope you enjoy them. Give them a try, and let me know how they turn out. I always like to know when people are using my recipes and giving them a try. So put a comment down there and let me know. Remember to check out my affiliate store. I always do appreciate that. Thanks for stopping by Texas Style Cuisine, and we'll see you down the road.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.